Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create marketing campaign ideas with chatgpt. Chatgpt can be a valuable tool for generating marketing campaign ideas. Here how you can use it effectively. So number one is that you will just be specific, give them information, and you will just define your goal. So if I just write example, I want list of three small fast businesses in 2025 and paid high, and I will just tap to generate, and let's see the answer. So here are three small fast businesses in 2025 that are expected to pay well. Number one is that e-commerce store, niche product, and low overhead, high profit margin, and requires good marketing and trend analysis. And number second is a digital marketing agency, so it will a demand for SEO, social media, and content marketing is growing. Can operate remotely with minimal investment. So number third is online course coaching. So high demand for knowledge sharing in specialized field, scalable with high profit potential. So this is you can just use ChatGPT for your creating a marketing campaign ideas. So that's it. You will just put them your business ideas, and make sure you will just define your goal and target audience. You will just give them command. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.